Air Spring Compressor Kit Review, Buyer's Guide. Tired of your truck sagging when you tow? Want instant ride height control without stopping at gas stations? Today we're breaking down air spring compressor kits, how they work, why you might need one, and what to look for before buying on Amazon. What exactly is an air spring compressor kit? Simply put, it's an onboard system that pumps air into your air springs or airbags so your suspension can adjust on the fly. It helps level your vehicle for towing, hauling, or carrying heavy loads, making your ride smoother and safer. That's roller. What's in the box? Cut to close-ups of components. Most kits you find on Amazon include a compressor, the heart of the system that generates air, air lines and fittings to route air to the springs, pressure gauge or controller so you can adjust PSI, mounting hardware and wiring for installation. Pro tip, some advanced kits add a wireless controller or phone app so you can adjust pressures from inside your cab or even outside via Bluetooth. That's roller. Why you need one? Here's when an air spring compressor kit becomes a game changer. Towing trailers or boats. Eliminates rear squat. Sec heavy payloads keeps ride height stable. Uneven loads adjust left-right independently. On dual-path systems. Off-road adventures tweak air pressure for terrain. How it works. You set your desired pressure, say 70 psi. The compressor pumps air into your airbags until it reaches that level. Some kits even hold that pressure automatically or let you create presets for different loads. A trailer features to look for. Here's what you really want to check before buying on Amazon. Sec max PSI and duty cycle tells how much pressure it produces and how long it can run safely. Controller type, analog gauge versus wireless app controls. Single versus dual path. Dual lets you inflate each side separately. Included accessories, hoses, fittings, wiring harness, etc. Build quality, metal fittings, solid compressor, good duty rating, warranty and support, especially if you're hauling heavy loads. A trailer plus one keeps your truck's SUV level. Dong fast inflation, dong control from inside cab. Cons, some kits can be noisy. Higher PSI compressors cost more. Installation takes a couple hours unless you're pro. Geeky electronics, installation varies, but most kits bolt on with wiring and airline routing. Expect 2 to 4 hours if you're DIY savvy. Always follow manufacturer instructions. If you want to upgrade your truck for heavy towing or smoother daily driving, an air spring compressor kit might be one of the best investments you make. Check the link in the description for the latest Amazon deals and let me know in the comments. Do you want a wireless system or a basic gauge setup next? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell.